Ever wondered how to spice up your grilling game? Dive into the world of grilling lobsters directly on charcoal flames. Imagine the unique taste of lobster, seasoned with spicy hot chili peppers and pink salt, all enhanced by the smoky charcoal aroma. Ready to tantalize your taste buds? Let's get started. First things first, you need to prep your lobsters. It's crucial to clean them thoroughly, removing any grit and grime. Next, carefully cut your lobsters down the middle. This exposes the succulent meat, allowing it to soak up the flavors we'll introduce. Now for the seasoning. A dash of pink salt for that delicate, mineral-rich flavor, and a generous sprinkle of spicy hot chili peppers to ignite the senses. These steps are the cornerstone of flavor and food safety. Now that your lobsters are prepped and ready, it's time to get grilling. Grilling lobsters directly on charcoal flames is a game changer. This method brings out the natural sweetness of the lobster, infusing it with a hint of smoky goodness. To start, you'll want to set up your charcoal grill, ensuring it's at the right temperature. Then, place your prepped lobsters directly onto the grill. As they cook, monitor them closely to avoid overcooking. This grilling process truly enhances the lobster's flavor, making it a mouth-watering delight. Remember, patience is key when grilling lobsters on charcoal flames, but trust me, it's worth it. Here comes the fun part, adding the final touch and presenting your grilled lobsters. To enhance the flavor, dab a pinch of wasabi on each lobster, letting the heat meld the flavors together. Now, for presentation. Arrange your lobsters in a fan-like formation on a broad platter. Sprinkle some pink salt and garnish with a sprig of parsley or a slice of lemon, giving it a pop of color. And there you have it, your very own grilled lobsters, spiced up and ready to serve. Who knew that grilling lobsters could be this fun and easy? From prepping your lobsters to the thrill of the charcoal grill, and that final touch of spicy chili peppers, pink salt, and wasabi. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious and easy-to-follow recipes. Until next time, keep your grill hot and your taste buds happy.